Hey guys, today I'm doing a voiceover and showing you guys how to do my quick and easy makeup routine. First, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil in the color chocolate. With that pencil, I'm going to go ahead and use the spoolie to brush my brow hairs up and then brush them back down to give me a more tamed brow look. Next, using the pencil to go ahead and outline my brow shape. Here I was just trying to blend in the color I just applied to my brows using the spoolie. Now to fill in the brows. Now I'm going to take this brow setter by Benefit just to give my brows a more defined look. Using the spoolie, I just want to brush those hairs back down so they look more in place. After this, I'll take some Maybelline concealer to clean up my brows. Now that my brows are to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and apply false eyelashes. I used some hair glue from the hair store, although it may not be recommended. Here I was trying to fix my lashes. I wore them a couple days ago on my birthday. I slept in them, I cried in them. They're going in so many different directions, so I was trying to brush them into the same direction, but they're still cute. Moving on to foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the shade 385. And here I'm using a wet beauty blender to blend out my foundation. I'm then going to use the same concealer I used under my brows for my under eye. I did not want to use a lot of this concealer because it's very bright and it's very thick. Now that we've blended that out, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder for my under eye. I also did not want to use a lot of the powder today just because I wanted my makeup to be a little bit lighter than usual. Also, I forgot to add that I prefer to press my powder in versus baking. Next, I like to use mascara on my false lashes and my bottom lashes. Although I shouldn't use it on the false lashes, I do anyways. After mascara, I like to go in with a little bit of white eyeliner in my waterline. This isn't the best brand, but it worked. I also decided to put some mascara on my bottom lashes off camera as well. And I'm not sure why I just blew a kiss. I think I was feeling myself. But now I'm going to go in with some blush by Neutrogena. It's in the color Boysenberry. And we are ready for lip liner. It's an NYX lip liner in the color brown. Unfortunately, I didn't have a sharpener to sharpen it, so I did what I could do. Now I'm just going to go in with the NYX Lingerie Gloss in the color Shy and try to focus it in the center of my lips to create an ombre look. Here I added some Milani highlight and it barely even showed up. It was pretty pointless. And now I am not sure why this video clip appeared smaller, but I was just trying to give you guys a closer look of the makeup. I'm all finished and I hope you guys liked it.